when I run power for the clock and the shielded twisted pair for the multimeters, what's the path? Does the path go to the DC box first, or does the path go down there?
Yeah, so you're just going to go, what I would do is probably come out the bottom of the space back there. There's a hole that comes down right here where you got your Ethernet cables running.
Okay.
And then run either through one of the chases or just free air, you know, in that cubby down there.
Okay.
And it'll come out. Actually, so you're going to the DC panel, so just keep it up high. There's a hole that runs across. Just keep it up high. Run across back there. There's some slotted raceway. And it comes out right about, there's a bulkhead right about here.
Uh-huh.
And then it just comes in. And for those, the clock you want constant power. I would hook those up to one of your instruments, one of your instrument breakers. So maybe, I don't know, put on whichever one makes the most sense.
What about the miniature bus bar that the bilge pump's on?
For these guys?
No, for the clock.
Oh yeah, that'd be fine.
Okay. And these need AC, so they're going down.
7 volts to 70 volts DC power supply.
But the current transformer is going to go around the AC.
Yes. The CT is going to go down there, and I've labeled it with yellow tape where you should put each one.
So for this, I'm going to have wire going to the DC panel and wires going to the AC
Yeah.
panel.
So you're going to run this down to your CTs, and then you're going to run probably 16 or 18 to from there to
But the pathway to the lower AC panel was down low here.
you can get from the top to the bottom
Okay.
through there.
Okay.
So either way will be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I just put these on switch power off of one of your breakers from. You've got spares. I'd probably put it on any of your other instrument breakers. I don't know what you'll turn on. Something that you normally turn on. I know you always turn on your tank gauges, but that wouldn't really make sense. So maybe just put it on its own breaker. Who knows? You got spares.
Okay.
You got your Mac Mini right there. I don't think you're using that.
No, I think that Mac Mini was removed.
Yeah, and I know it runs back there, so you might even have wiring already run for it. You could take the wiring that was run from here to there for the Mac Mini and just hook it up to your gauges and relabel it.
And then for the clock, go to the same bus that the bilge pump's on.
Yeah, I would run that. There's a bus around this area with constant loads on it. Alternatively, I think there's a DIN rail in the back with constant loads on it. So some of them are constant. Just figure out what numbers are up here. It'll be on your wiring diagram.
The DC wiring diagram?
Yeah. Maintain loads. Runs with the bilge pump. So maintain loads is 230. Comes up from the fuses down below into the DC distribution panel.
From the DC fuses down here?
Yeah.
Under the bench?
Yes.
Okay.
And then it goes up into your DC distribution panel.
Okay.
So you should be able to track it down.
Okay.
Maintain loads is number 230. The bilge pump is 297, so wherever they meet is probably where you're going to want to connect.
Okay. All right. I think that's my only questions about that.
Okay.